Hey, my beautiful people, this is Jungle, and I'm here at this little country store. They sell all type of appliances in where I live, and this is a generator. This is Champion, 10,000 watt guarantee. See that right there? I think that's 10,000 watt, and it used to be 1,999. Now you see the price, $400, and it is Champion brand. So I don't know if something going on with it, but it's a nice one. And this is our pressure washer right here. You know, I just like to come and look on equipment machine. That's 3,400 psi pressure per square inch, and that's the price right there. 429.99. Yeah, so that's here on some lawnmower right here. A lawnmower chainsaw, and that's the brand right here. And these are 329.99. That's it called. That's the brand of it right here. And this is 20% off right there. So that's them right there, and that's the big one. This one is I'm not sure this blade here. The blade is I'm not sure this is the length of the blade, but this is a long blade right here. It's nice. And that's I don't know if it's a price here. That's all they have here. They have a sledgehammer right there, and that's one is $16.99 for, I don't know what is that for, but the sledgehammer I think is for $47.99. What was that? A flashlight. Wait, $2.99. That's a good deal.
That makes sense because I get two of them.
Yeah, that's used to be $5. See, we got a flashlight. Used to be $2.99. I mean, used to $5.99. Now it's $2.99. And you see how it's bright. So they have some good deal inside here. So I'm gonna. And these are lawnmower blade. That's where we bought some lawnmower blade. About 4 years. About 4 years since you come up here. You remember? You remember when we buy the lawnmower blade? Yeah, we come up here 4 years ago and they look on the chicken now, you remember? Yeah.
Where?
The chicken around this.
Oh, that's why them have it could be fried chicken something else.
Yeah. So these are chainsaw blade right here. That's the price of them right here. Chainsaw blade. So that is our little store that we come to buy stuff. Come to buy
Oh yeah, the chicken magnet them here.
yeah, so those are chicken. So we're gonna buy a chicken coop.
It's so nice to put on fridge.
50% off. How much is that?
That means that around $9.
Yeah.
I'll buy one. Put on the fridge.
Yeah. So okay, so we're gonna buy chicken. So we're gonna raise some chicken. So we're getting some chicken magnet for the fridge. And these are guns for like BB gun. And this one is like a tarp. This one is $50 for this pistol here. But this one, real revolver action. Maybe it's $24.99. I don't know if it's maybe just a toy thing, revolver action. Now maybe I got on this BB gun. I could shoot. I used to shoot rabbit with it. So so this is a tour of my little country store. You know. Yeah. These are weed whacker right here. I think these use battery. Yep. They use battery go right in here. 20% lighter. that oh, the price for it is I think this is the price. 149.99. Cordless and this leaf. Oh, that's leaf blower. So what's the price of the whacker? Oh, it's no, I don't know. Oh, the price of the whacker, see it here, $7.19 on this battery.
I get 3 of them.
So we got 3 flashlight.
And we
So
get
if you guys need a flashlight,
this one. We get this one.
yeah. So if you guys need one of these flashlight here, and they're reasonable and they metal too, they're heavy. $2.99. So they're bright right here. Look on the light. See it? If you want one, put in the comment. And when we go to Jamaica, we buy some for you guys and you come and pick it up. Alright, so it's a little tour. It's a little tour, the country store. And then that's me and my wife inside here.
Can't buy gas.
Sorry.
Anything. Yeah, anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
So
have one of these.
these are the gas drum right here. Yeah, these are the gas jug, I mean, for gasoline, 5 gallon, and these are for $19.99. So they big. This is for diesel, and this is for gasoline. This is rake. We have rake up here too. This is the country store. And we have a shovel and a rake. This big shovel. Shovel snow. Big one is for $39.99. This one is for $29.99. And the shovel to mix concrete, $20. Long shovel. I don't know if these are fork, pitchfork.
They plant the yam
Yeah.
in Jamaica.
Plant yam and cocoa, banana and dashing. So this is just a little tour at the country store. This is some holes right here, and this hole for $69.99. That's a 75 foot. Then was it look like a good was them, you know? Contractor choice. You know?
Yeah.
And a 75 foot. Look at.
Yeah.
Huh?
See them when we see.
No, where? These look like a better quality.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
They're king free. So when you burn it, they come back out.
How much foot?
75. Yeah, how good was that? You see now king.
Oh, this one, that one of the
Oh, this one. What's for this one? Oh, $42.99. But this one nice, 75 foot. I'll get one of them. But $69.99. You know, kind of expensive. Because I remember
I'm not in Tiki,
when we leave around there, no, and
I'm in Tiko people.
yeah. But why don't you use it for? Don't know. Only now, so this anyway, but okay. Alright, so this is the turf. Yeah, so this is what we're gonna use for water to feed the chicken. Water can. That's $12.99. I think a grass. Let me see, perennial grass. Yeah, grass seed.
No.
Sorry. So this is yeah, that's it by if they put in the
Cool. This is bad.
I think so.
Yeah.
Mhm. So Halloween coming up. So we have Halloween stuff going on right here.
It's a lovely chicken. Halloween chicken.
That's best dressed chicken. And that's
Halloween pumpkin.
and this is a Halloween skeleton right here.
How much is this one?
This is the Halloween skeletons right here.
How much is chicken?
Look on the bottom, not saying the price here. So we're getting ready for Halloween. You see the skeleton right here? That's creepy. This guy with that skeleton right here. So you buying one of these skeletons for Halloween. You buying one of the skeletons for Halloween. Alright, my beautiful people. So subscribe, share, like, hit the notification bell if you want to get some more video. And this is the last video I showed you guys of Home Depot. This is it's called Tractor Supply, and this is a nice grill right there. Nice grill to barbecue. And this one is let me see, this one is I don't see the price on this one. I don't see the price on it. There's another little one right here called a smoker. I don't see the price on that. Alright, and that's alright. So wait there. So that's the baby chicken right here. We're gonna buy and raise. Here are the chickens. See the chicken and more here.
Oh.
Alright, so let's see where
them here. The Leah one, them here. The white one there.
I don't think they have any white one. I think only Leah. Yeah. So alright, my beautiful people. So this is what's going on here. This is the welding section. That's welding goggles. This one is 109.99. And these are the generator right here. And this $499 for this one. So something may be wrong with the other one also, whereas they're selling it for $400. And these are some little, this 2000 watt champion, 1700 running watt right here. And this is $519.99, so round out to $600. And these are like portable. You could pick it up and walk with it right here. And these are your welding stuff right here. The welding rod. No, it's welding material. So these are the big air compressor right here. I don't know what's the price of these. But these are the big boys, and these are the small ones. That's $500. The big one, let me see what the big one. Okay, the big one is $2,499. And got this big one right there. Alright. So moving along, there's another one right here. This one is 3,000. And this one, this one has engine on it, so you don't have to put gasoline in there and crank it up, so you don't need any power. That's why I said there, 3,299. Oh, I didn't see this big. It's another, oh, welding product. $2,299, great price. I don't know, that is what it seems like. It's a champion generator. And these are little tool belts right here. This is a knee pad right here. I need a new knee pad.
It's speed and tractor.
These are what they have right here. The cutter.
The money better one, you know, because you much them. 100 and
199.
Right.
Yeah, so this is steel cutter.
Yeah, they made a good one. Yeah, they made a good
Yeah,
one.
so that's a good steel cutter.
Mm-hmm.
I bought one last year, 2 years ago, and that piece broke out right here. The
This
where you got this piece.
this one have a 60.
These are
69.99.
these are the expensive ones.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna buy a Makita this time, so
Yeah.
we don't need any more manual power. These are the little gadgets right here. The little cutter and stuff. I don't know if you have any nipper.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Alright, so this is a little toolkit. You have everything in here. For $20. 68 pieces in there. Those are $20. So that's the thing with here. We have all different varieties of stuff inside here. So I'm gonna go outside and find out. I'm gonna find out how much for the chicken coop. So I'm gonna pause the guys for a while and then go find out.
Like a lot of people get these little chickens because they're cute, but they get big and they lay
Okay.
eggs. And this will keep you from
You don't mind
having
on
to
camera. You don't mind on camera.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Okay.
But yeah, this will keep you from having to buy after they grow.
Yeah.
Come back and pay another $500.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. So this one, yeah, man, this one is the one I wanted. I wonder if we put it together, I could fit in my truck. Yeah. So this is the chicken coop. See all the chickens in there. So how much is it? That's the one. If we put it together.
Right now it's $5.99. Just cause it's out of season, I think it was like $9.99 or
Okay.
$8.99.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if this could fit in my truck, man. It's kind of big. Yeah, maybe it will.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, maybe put it together, because if we put it together, it's not gonna be it maybe doesn't
This
fit.
is called the
Yeah, you will fit in your truck.
yeah. This is the Superior Construction.
Superior construction, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because if
This is the
yeah, that's
this is the four seasons of
yeah.
like the coops that actually lay eggs.
Yeah.
Actually use your eggs.
Because this one we don't have
They'll go
to.
up there and lay. They can.
Right, we don't have to put. I don't even have to make any place for them to walk out because they could walk out here. Like you know, like a little You know, I was gonna make a little fencing where they could just walk out, but this one they could walk out and look. Yeah. So yeah,
This is a.
yeah, I'm gonna have to come and
You
get
want
this.
to take a picture of the brand
Mm-hmm.
and do like a Google Lens and see the reviews on it.
Yeah.
It's a precision.
Yeah.
And see if there's any good reviews on it there.
Yeah. But
But it's-
what kind of wood it be like? Treated?
Yeah, it's like made to, you know,
Withstand
paint
the-
and stain yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Because the wood's so, you're actually, it's the quality of wood that you're paying for and size. And
Yeah. Because to build one.
because it's like buying a, you know, house, or you actually building a house, you want to paint it the color you want to paint
Right.
it. Because this is going to last a long time.
I know. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna. Shit, I think I'm getting paid this weekend, not next week. So I'm gonna have to come up here and get. You open on Sundays too?
Yeah, we're
Sunday.
open on Sundays till 7:30 at night.
Okay.
I think we open
All right. So.
at, on Sundays
All right.
like at 11 o'clock.
Yeah. No problem, man. Yeah, I'm gonna. My daughter gonna be excited.
Those men too now. These things are fun. And this right here is marked down like $1,000.
Yep.
That's my wife on the
Tires flat already on there?
go-kart, on the bike. Which one is the marked down? This one marked down for about 1,000. Yes, he's cranking up the bike, so it's crank up right away. Wow. Yeah, so this is what we need in Jamaica right here.
Yeah, I actually had the keys on me a while ago, but it's a keyless start.
So this one you said marked down?
Well, it was. I think it's like now it's like 1,200, maybe 1,000.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Because somebody bought it
Oh,
and brought it back, said it was too slow.
yeah,
But the governor.
yeah. You could adjust the
and I
govern.
hit that switch, and this thing is fun, but it's
Wow.
also safe for a child.
Oh, okay.
If you want me to get the keys, I'll show you.
No, it's all right. I'm, you know, I'm just gonna do the coop first.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. All right.
Well, I hope that helped, my man.
Yeah, no problem. Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Hope you'll have a great day. Okay.
All right. Thank you. So I will definitely when I come back up here, I will.
Just ask for me.
Actually, what's your name? Hilton.
Hampton.
Hampton. Okay,
Hampton.
sir. Hampton. All right.
I'm
Thank
the
you, Hampton.
operations manager out here from 5 till 1:30 Monday to Friday.
No problem. Yeah, my daughter will be happy when I show her. I'm like, I'm gonna get a big coop. All right. Thank you.
That makes me happy.
Yes, sir.
Thank y'all.
All right. Yeah. So we're not gonna have to buy any mesh
Right.
for and this is what the place look like. They sell everything for your farm and garden. And these are wire.
Oh, plastic. Whatever.
Yeah, they have
What's one of them?
plastic wire by 100 and
That one have 5 on it.
yeah, pipe. 100 and 34.99.
How much is this one then?
This one the bob wire.
Mm-hmm. This is a
Look
person?
like 69.99. Yeah. So everything for your farm and garden out here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go out there and show you the chicken coop. Yeah. Where they are. These up here? Oh, they call them kayak.
Kayak, right.
Kayak. Alright. So. Alright, so this is we're back in the store. And I'm Jungle. Like, share, subscribe. And this is all the feed in here. So I'm just giving a little tour of our country store in here. They sell everything from chicken, the chicken feed, the dog feed. Yeah, and they're showing the grill already. That's the grill right there. So I'm going to show you guys now. Huh? Oh, yeah. So those are the chickens you're gonna get right there. Chicken and all of these are magnet.
Look.
Okay. Yeah.
This one better than the one we have already seen.
That's a measuring cup. Maybe I mean you have the same measurement pan. Yeah, the measurement pan. You didn't say the price. See? All right. Beautiful.
Oh, like gummies.
Tastes bad.
It tastes bad?
Tastes like charcoal. It's only one cashier. Register one. Where register one? Oh, it's register one up here. Let me just say for one register. Alright, my beautiful people, checking out at the cash register now.
You doing okay today?
Yeah,
Do y'all have a number?
yes.
That's correct, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
It's saying you're not.
Hmm?
It's saying you're not in the.
No, I'm not in the system.
Okay.
No. We're just gonna pay for these.
Okay. Okay. Your total will be $31.92.
Only setting only this side because it's not the over camera. Oh, on this side. This side. So I'm gonna copy now. Alright, my beautiful people, share, subscribe, like. Thank you. And come back up here for I will coming back up here next week for the chicken coop, the big one. It's 500 $600. We're gonna raise our own chicken. About that walk with me tripod. Make it some more convenient. Yeah, I didn't see the price, but now I saw the price. we're gonna get the bigger one next week. So this is what the chicken coop look like. So that's where they stay right here. And then
Where they
down,
lay their eggs.
yeah, and then down here gonna be the where they come out and chill and look out. So this is
Just like this. Right there you see the chicken.
one thing they do, they shouldn't put any screw. You don't make any screw up here. Screw supposed to go with it. Because they water too. So this is it where they lay their egg right in here. Yeah. Alright, so well, I'm gonna get the bigger version of this one. And this one is showing the price. And that's the price for this little one. $13,999 for $400. And the bigger one is for $5 something, and it's huge. You can walk in here. So I'm just gonna invest in the bigger one. And this is for like
Like a storage or something.
no, it's for rabbit. Some type of, you could raise, I say rabbit or something like that. It's like rabbit coop.
No.
Alright, my beautiful people. Like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get some more video. And I will see you in the next one.